CHM class with Auntie Taiwo. Kindly subscribe. Just press the subscription button and let's go to the class. So this morning we'll be talking about elements. Yes, we just have to do this before we proceed to other aspects this morning. Okay, so we have a lot of elements on the periodic table, but this morning we'll just be doing 10 elements this morning because of the capacity of the board. So I'm going to show you the atomic number, the atomic number, the symbols, and we are going to do the shell distribution of electron. We have two types of shell distribution. You can distribute your electrons in the k-element shell, or we use the SPDF notation. So this morning we are going to do only for just 10 elements. We'll be doing only for just 10 elements on the board. So on the board I have hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Our first 10 elements, and I have their symbols respectively. Okay, we encourage students to know their first 20 elements at least for the purpose of this class. So, and the protons, which is the atomic number, in the few videos that we have done, we explained atomic number, atomic masses. So here we have the atomic number, which is also the number of the protons. So I have 1, 2, 3 for lithium, 4 for beryllium, 5 for boron, 6 for carbon, 7 for nitrogen, oxygen is 8, fluorine is 9, and neon is 10. Because some students will ask me, how did you arrive at this? Oh, we find these on our periodic table, and these have been, proven to be true and tested. So it's now a kind of confirmation of some of these elements. So hydrogen is having the atomic number of 1 on the periodic table, helium is 2, respectively, like that. So now, when you come to the k-element shell, we have what we call the duplet structure and the octet structure. For the duplet structure, it has maximum number of 2 electrons, yes. While for the octet structure, it has what? Maximum number of what? 8 electrons. So for our K is going to take maximum number of 2 electrons, while the LMN will take maximum number of 8 electrons. So just follow me. So if I'm going to distribute now, so for my hydrogen is just going to have only 1 electron under K. So most time you have something like this for hydrogen. You have the nucleus inside and you have something like this. Okay, then for my helium is going to have 2. So helium is going to be filled up. You have something like this. Okay, then for my lithium is going to exceed the 2 electrons. So you have 2 and 1. So I just hope we have enough space to fill in all our shells like that. Okay, so my beryllium is going to have 2 here and 2 under the L. My boron we have 2 here and what? 3 under the L is going to have 2 here and of course 4. Then my nitrogen we have 2 here and it will have 5 here as well. Oxygen we have 2 here, then it will also have 6 here. Then fluorine is going to have 2 here and is going to have 7 here. Then my nitrogen is going to have 2 here and is going to have 8. So automatically the L shell is filled up with neutron. Neutron is a noble gas. When we get to oxidation number, valency groups and all that, we'll discuss more about that. So we have been able to distribute into the K and L shell. All right, so when I